Hi guys, let's unbox JetRover package. Take JetRover with Macomwell chassis as an example. After opening the box, we can find the robot body and some accessories. This is the phone holder, which is used with wireless handle to view the live camera feed on the app. Then we can get a robot arm. Please take it and put it down gently. There is an HDMI cable and a power cable, the 7-inch touchscreen, tags, a card reader, and the screwdriver. These three are depth camera bracket, and its power cable, used to mount on the robot arm, a battery charger, a wireless handle. Gently take out the robot card. The microphone array module has been installed on it. Additionally, the speaker and the SD card have been inserted into Just Nano board. Continue to check out other accessories. These two are the signal antennas of the Just Nano. This is the screw accessory bag. It contains 2 screwdrivers, which are used to replace the car chassis and wheels. We can also get a 7-inch touchscreen and 3 blocks in different colors. Okay, I have shown you all the accessories coming with JetRover package. Thanks for watching.